Hey there, you're doing good, and I'm so proud of you and your choices. You deserve all the happiness and what you have always wanted. If you want to do something but you're hesitant because of anything, just know what you promised to yourself. Don't let me down. You can do it. I know who you are. I know your heart, your soul. You must have achieved everything you desired. You must be living your dream. And most importantly, you must be yourself. Do you have friends? Did you build a treehouse for yourself? How many times you went to Rabbit Island? And how can I forget? Korea must be your second home. But don't ever forget to be yourself. I know you're rocking your life. A happy face in the storms of ups and downs is what you carry. And overcoming every obstacle because, damn girl, you're so strong. I knew you would do it. You're so bold to take that decision. I know you must have had doubts, fear, but still did it. And that's why you are fearless. Listen, I'm a fan of yours. Every setback tried to knock you down, distract you from your goal, but you rose above. It made you wiser. And the way you know that after every storm there will be light inside you that will shine through is what makes you unique. Your ability to not give a damn and do what you love makes me proud of you every time. You are rare, and I'm aware.